beautiful Nicolettes. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm doing another skincare video. I know I've been on a little bit on a skincare kick lately and been doing a ton of videos. I'll link my recent ones down below in the description box for you. I'm going to be sharing 5 super simple tips that you can just start doing today and are going to make the biggest difference to your skin, change your skin, help clear your acne. If you want more skincare related videos, or if this video was just useful for you, thumbs it up so I know. But before I jump into the tips that I have for you, I just want to say that if you head over right now to my Instagram, you follow me and comment on my latest post, tell me you're coming from this video, I will go spam your accounts with some love, as long as you're not private, of course. I've been missing doing that, so I thought, you know, what the heck, let's do that again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just jump into the tips. The first tip I have for you is really simple, and I've been doing this for years, and that is just to opt out of milk and switch over to almond milk. I've been told so many times by my dermatologist to get rid of milk, try to not have dairy products, because if you didn't know, milk actually contains components related to the hormone testosterone, and it may stimulate your oil glands, which can lead to creating acne. So that is the reason why a lot of dermatologists say that you should really stay away from milk, and it's not the greatest for your skin sometimes, especially when you have such sensitive and acne prone skin. So I switched over to almond milk and I love it. I definitely noticed a difference just by taking out the milk out of my diet, and I also do try to limit my dairy intake just because I find that when I do have a lot of dairy, it does break me out. Unfortunately, I've just really been noticing that, and it's just something I try to steer away from as much as possible. But when it comes to almond milk, it not only tastes good, but it's also really great because there's no sugars, no cholesterol, and it has a bunch of vitamins, so it's really gonna be great for helping clear out your acne. It's just something that I've definitely incorporated into my lifestyle. Number 2 is purchasing natural products. I definitely didn't purchase natural products until more recently. I started really getting into skincare and trying to see what is really affecting my skin and what I want to switch over to. I have a few things that you should be always checking before you buy a product. One important thing is to opt for unscented products. Fragrances are often chemical based, so I know that sometimes you smell something and you're like, oh, this smells so good, I just want it for the smell. But a lot of the times those really heavily fragrance based products are heavily chemically based. Definitely opt for the no scent option. Also, make sure that all the makeup that you're purchasing, or your deodorant, anything that you purchase, pretty much any products that you're putting on your face, your body, are paraben free. Look at the ingredients. You don't want anything to really end with paraben. So if it says a word in front and then ends with paraben, try to stay clear from those products. And try to find products that say non-comedogenic. Definitely said that wrong. When you see that word, it means that it won't clog your pores. So those are a lot of things that I like to look for when I am purchasing products out in the stores. And that leads me to number 3, which is to create your own skincare products. You guys know I love doing this by all my life hack videos I've done through the years. I will link my whole life hacks playlist down below for you. But I love DIYing skincare products, any products from home, just because if you think about it, for myself in particular, I find that this is so much better because I realize that sometimes I get breakout from certain products, and it's so hard to know what is breaking me out because I have no idea what the ingredients really mean in most of my products. There's just a huge list of ingredients and they just sound like mumbo jumbo to me, like I don't even know what those chemicals or words really mean. I love creating my own skincare products because I can know exactly what's going on my face, and if I do have a reaction, I know what is actually affecting my skin and what I shouldn't use next time. I have a couple tips for you guys here, but if you haven't seen how to clear your skin up fast or my how to remove a pimple, I have a lot more DIY products you can create in those 2 videos, so I definitely recommend checking that out if you want to see more. But these are just a couple tips I thought I'd throw into this video for you, and these are just things that I really enjoy doing. The first one, which is to use green tea extract for acne. So green tea has actually been linked to being really great for acne. It's not only great for your body to just cleanse all the toxins, but it's also good for acne. So what I like to do is I like to steep a green tea. Once you steep it, you're gonna put it into a bowl, and then you're gonna put about like 1 to 2 cups of water within that green tea, and then you're gonna allow it to chill in the fridge for around 20 minutes before you use it. And something I like to use it actually actually washed my face with the green tea. It has so many benefits for your skin. Green tea is really great because it has a lot of inflammatory properties, which you really want if you have acne, and it just helps soothe and calm my skin as well. And also another way I like to use it, and this is better for more of the smaller acne areas, is to just take that tea bag and actually apply it onto your acne. Of course, you have to make sure that it is cooled down and you don't want it to be hot or anything like that. And you just apply it onto your acne spots and hold it there for several minutes, and you could just keep doing that, and that's just really great to get rid of those little pesky pimples that you have. The green tea face wash is really great if you have a lot of acne and you struggle with that all over and there's not just little areas. I definitely recommend trying that out. And my second favorite thing I love to do is use cucumbers as a moisturizer. Cucumbers are really great for your skin because it keeps it super hydrated and it has a ton of vitamins that your skin really benefits from. It also helps with the swelling on your face, which is really great for in the morning when you're super tired. But you can literally slice up a cucumber and just rub it into your skin, and then I just like to rub it in more with my fingers, and you could just rinse it off after, and it's just gonna keep your skin super hydrated, and it's really natural as well. There's no chemicals that you're putting on your skin like a lot of moisturizers are heavily scented and just have a bunch of random chemicals in them. Cucumbers have loads of water content, so it's gonna keep your skin super hydrated. Like I said, you could slice it up, or another way if you want to do it, you can puree it so that you just rub it on kind of like a face mask. It'll make it more liquidy if you want, but sometimes I just honestly take the cucumber slices and just rub it onto my skin. It really does help soothe skin irritations, and as well as it helps to depuff your skin and help with the swelling of your skin. The fourth tip I have for you is to drink turmeric tea. I've recently just got into this. I've definitely started to drink turmeric because I've heard so many health benefits about turmeric, and it's really great for the skin as well. There's studies that actually show that people that do suffer with acne have higher levels of inflammation and lower levels of antioxidants in comparison to people with clear skin. Treatments that reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress is going to help your acne. Why turmeric tea is really great is because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory effects, which you want to look for anti-inflammatory products or foods and stuff that are really geared towards having anti-inflammatory properties to it or effects to it, because that's going to help your skin. As you can see, the tea I'm showing you has matcha and turmeric, which matcha is also really great. Matcha, green tea, all that stuff also has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, which is really gonna help clear your skin up. So I definitely recommend adding this into your diet, whether it's right in the morning or you end off with it at nighttime. And also, speaking of drinks, another thing I love to do is detox water. I'm gonna give you guys two things that I love to do when it comes to detox water, and these detox waters are geared towards people that struggle with acne. There's so many detox waters out there for weight loss as well, and to clear your skin. Even just having lemon water is really great, but these are more specific, geared towards people that don't have clear skin and stuff that I like to do. There's two different detox waters I like to have. The first one, all you have to do is get a glass and pour some water into it. You're gonna add some cucumbers, watermelon, and you can also add mint leaves if you want. It's your choice. And first off, cucumbers and watermelon are like bomb AF, so it tastes super good. It's important that if you struggle with acne to stay hydrated, and watermelon and cucumber are both two that are super water content filled. Watermelon's gonna help flush your system, and the cucumbers are gonna keep you hydrated. So this is a really good detox water to try out. Or detox water number two, which is also great for people with acne prone skin, is just put some water, throw in some blueberries, and as well as orange slices or like mandarin orange slices into the water. Blueberries are super good because they are one of the highest sources of fruits that have antioxidants in them, which really work for people that have acne prone skin. And the mandarin oranges are packed with vitamin C, which you definitely want to add in your diet if you don't have clear skin, and in general just because vitamin C is so good for you. It's also a very powerful antioxidant that's going to help clear your skin. So those are all my tips that I have for you. I hope they were useful. I hope they make a difference when you try them out. They're definitely things that I incorporate into my lifestyle that I've noticed such a big difference, and it's more things that you could change in your diet as well that are really easy and simple to do. And I think that's really important because sometimes doing a bunch of products don't always work the best. I think also treating your insides sides is really important because it's going to show more on the outside. If you guys struggle with acne, you don't want to just focus on treating the outer layer. You want to focus inside your body as well. You want to know what's going on in there, and you want to make sure you're flushing the toxins out and you're treating your body good as well, because it's going to show on the outside eventually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was useful. Thumbs it up if you found it useful. Let me know if you want any more videos. Make sure you guys are a part of the family by hitting that subscribe button, because I do upload every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and it would mean so much if you became a part of the notification squad by clicking that bell on my channel, because it will notify you when I do upload on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, because sometimes it won't notify you if you're not, if you don't have the bell clicked. So make sure you have the bell clicked to your favorite YouTubers that you watch too, because it honestly will make sure that you get those videos on your feeds. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!